Hello everyone, I am Vivek Vyas, working as Assistant Professor at Swami Keshwanand Rajasthan Agriculture University, Bikaner. I hope you found this message in best of your health. Today, with this proposal of workshop on professional skill development, I am with you. This workshop basically designed to give a guideline for professional skill development in your student, because currently there are so many students who are aspiring for their job, but there are some problems, some limitations, something which is holding them back to get the best what they can get. So this workshop actually designed to identify the inner strength and weakness of student in order to get them identify the right way to develop them professionally. So let us start with the discussion. The professional skills are abilities that can help anyone to succeed in their job. Professional skills described as habit, personality trait, or ability that positively affect our performances in our workplace. So having such skill can give benefit to the people in nearly all job position, no matter whether they are on senior position, middle position, or entry level position. Certainly it will help them. Professional skills are also called soft skills, and these are the skills which can be carried over from one organization to another. Certainly now not only hard skills but soft skill also required, and people preferring those who are more comfortable in their interpersonal skills and human skills as well as environmental adaptability. Indeed.com is a website who provide job for so many individuals. They provide these list of professional skills. We can see leadership, teamwork, emotional intelligence, organizing capabilities, flexibility of organization, individual, communication, self motivation, problem solving attitude, openness to learning, integrity, self confidence, public speaking, open mindedness, professionalism, and positive attitude. Certainly every individual have some or more related to these all skills, but what happened when we discuss about the student, when they are aspiring for their job, they are in a position of self doubt. They don't know whether they have these things, and even if they have, how to represent that in best framework. So this workshop basically help to identify the different professional skill traits within the candidate. They introspect within these 2 days framework of workshop. They analyze, they judge, they question themselves, and they get the answer and they get the way how they can move further for developing them more professionally. So this is 5 Ws, or the basic outline of the workshop, where this workshop will be organized at your esteemed organization with your bright minded student. When a mutually convenient time of 2 working days available, we can design this. I, Vivek Vyas, with your organizing faculty member, will conduct this workshop at your organizational place. And the pedagogy of this workshop would be lecture, survey, group and individual activity, psychometric testing, live exercise of public speaking, mock session of group discussion, and personal interview drill, as well as personal doubt sessions. Certainly, this will give a very clear framework for any individual to get them realize their reality of their strength and weaknesses. The workshop requirement would be the basic setting of 50 students with audiovisual presentation. The audiovisual availability will be added advantage. It is not necessary, but certainly it helps to give more learning. Flexible seating arrangement, open and ready to learn candidate, and that's all. Expected outcome from this workshop: more aware about the self. The candidate will get the more self-awareness. Professional skill development guideline. Why guideline? Because within 2 day framework we can discuss about the path, where to go and how to go. We cannot develop skills within 2 day. It will be developed with so many time. But once we have a navigation, certainly our speed will be more accurate and more correct. Clarity about inner strength and weaknesses, public speaking and group discussion learning, interpersonal behavior, and leadership identification within organization, within individual. Financially, because there is no purpose of getting profit out of this activity, only 300 rupee per participant is charged, and that is to check the sincerity level as well as a basic uh, financial things. The participant number in this workshop would be minimum 50 to maximum 80. The trainer arrangement for stay and traveling would be taken care by your esteemed organization, as well as the certificate of workshop as well as kit for the participant would be given by your organization. These all are some basic financial requirements requested. So we can have a wonderful line like invest in today that you will reap the benefit for tomorrow. यानी आज में निवेश करें ताकि आप भविष्य का लाभ उठा सकें. These all from my side, and I'm looking forward for a mutually beneficial association with your esteemed organization. Certainly, I'm learning since last 14 years. I'm giving this kind of workshop in different organizations at different states. So I'm getting learning from them and sharing these all learning with the coming workshop. So help me to become much effective, more effective trainer, and let me help your student to identify their best version within them. So I am sure this will give us mutual benefit and mutual understanding. Thank you so much.